Music is a beautiful art form that has the power to evoke emotions and connect us with others. At the heart of music is rhythm. Understanding and playing rhythm accurately are essential for any musician. Basic dotted notes are a critical component of rhythm that adds interest and complexity to music. A dotted note is a note with a dot placed to the right-hand side. The dot adds half of the value of the original note to its duration. Basic dotted notes include the dotted whole note, half note, dotted quarter note, and dotted eighth note. The dotted whole note is a whole note with a dot placed to the right of it. It has a duration of 6 beats. The dotted half note has a duration of 3 beats. The dotted quarter note has a duration of 1.5 beats. And finally, the dotted eighth note is an eighth note with a dot placed to the right of it and has a duration of 3/4 of a beat. The best way to improve your ability to read and play dotted notes is to practice them regularly. Here are a few exercises to get you started. Number 1. Play a series of dotted half notes, quarter notes, and eighth notes and practice counting each beat aloud. Number 2. Play a simple melody that includes dotted notes and focus on playing the rhythm accurately. Number 3. Create your own rhythm exercise that includes dotted notes and practice them until you feel comfortable with the rhythm. I have put together a dotted note guide which is also available as a free download. A link can be found in the description. Now let's listen to a few examples to get a better idea of the look, feel, and sound of dotted notes in action. Basic dotted notes are an essential component of music notation and rhythm. If you are struggling with any of the note values, you can find a detailed video that will give you the basics.